In this video, I will show you how to fix a DirectX12 not supported error in Marvel Rivals. Start by ensuring your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Marvel Rivals. On Steam, go ahead and go to the store page and search for Marvel Rivals. Now scroll down and you'll be able to find the system requirements section. So check if your PC meets both minimum and recommended requirements, particularly for DirectX 12 compatibility. Next is to upgrade your graphic driver. So go ahead and search for device manager on your laptop. Now click on that device manager and go ahead and look for display adapters. So go ahead and click on the arrow beside the display adapters and you'll be able to find all of the graphics under it. Right click on the graphics and update the driver of your graphics. Outdated drivers can cause compatibility issues. Next is to verify game files. Make sure that your game files are not corrupted. Corrupted game files can also trigger errors. So you can go ahead and verify them by opening your Steam account and go to your library. Now right click on the Marvel Rivals and select properties. Go to installed files. Click verify integrity of game file and this will scan and repair any missing or corrupted files in your installation. And that is how you can simply fix error code DX12 in Marvel Rivals. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.